Y'all, shut up. I've never seen a unit like this before. What is goody, y'all? It's your girl Aoife K, and I'm back at it one more game. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for joining us today, girl and guy. I hope by the end of the video you'll consider becoming a part of the Aoife K crew. Over here we love beauty, hair, makeup, clothes, all kind of things dealing with beauty. So hopefully you'll be part of the fam before long. And to all my A1s since day one, what it do, boo? Y'all, today I am bringing you guys another synthetic wig review. And this is another company that reached out and asked me to review one of the units for them. The name of this company is the AISI Queens wigs. Okay. Now this looks like it might be up my alley. I hope it's legit. It looks like it's a frontal. Wait a minute. All right, so this is a synthetic wig that they did send over. What is that? What is that? Like, that's not my hand. No. What is that? Sis, bro. What do we know? What's the point of the... I don't know. Y'all, I'm not a professional wig slayer. I would like to say I am intermediate. Because I still have a lot to learn about wigs. Let me just show y'all this. I don't know. We'll get to it. They got two combs like in the front on the sides. So one comb on this side, one comb on that side. And then you got your comb in the back. And you have adjustable straps as well. I have been getting some real bangers from Amazon, and I am praying to Jesus that this is not gonna fail me. So let's cut this little strip of lace off real quick. This will not be hard. I should not have to go off camera to do this. This is the most odd hair, because it gives you like a centimeter of area to work with in the front. I've never seen such a thing in my life, y'all. I don't know. This is very odd. I'll be back. I'll be back. I gotta digest. She's shedding a lot. Oh my gosh, yo, come on with the sheds, yo. Come on. The color on this unit is beautiful. I will give them that. She's tangling. So she does tangle. She is long and synthetic and bone straight. So we know she's gonna tangle, but yo, what's good? Like, anyway, I have plenty of room in the wig. So I would say it's big head friendly, but sis, I'm also gonna tell you, you might want to wear a wig grip with it, because, well, let me just show y'all. It's like it's big head friendly, as one ear tab is coming down where it's supposed to, and the other ear tab, oh lord, is coming down pretty much where it's supposed to as well. It's right there. Yeah. So the wig is fitting ear to ear, but it feels like it will slide. Let's see the price point. Oh, okay. It's 20 bucks. That's not bad. It's $19.99. So if you want, I mean, you can't get a wig in Party City for $19.99. $20 for an Amazon wig. It's, you know, it's 30 inches, sis. 30 inches. Okay, so they got Celsius on here. I ain't been in nursing school in a long time, so your girl ain't about to convert that to Fahrenheit. Google it, sis. They say 280 degrees Celsius. That's the best I could do for you today, boo. All right. I do believe that is it as far as specs. I will leave all of the information down below. Like I said, this is 30 inches long. I will stand up for y'all real quick. I'll be right back. Give y'all a 360. Yeah, I'll be right back. All right. Y'all, I am 5'10" for reference. So, baby, if you short, y'all, that's it. That's all I gotta say about this wig. It tangles, it's big head friendly, it's super beginner friendly because all you gotta do is cut on a little piece of lace and you good to go, sis. So yeah, I'll leave all of AISI's information down below in the description box. You guys open that up if you are interested. I will leave the link to purchase down below. Also, I will leave a link to my Instagram if you guys want to follow me on there and see all my slays, girl, guy. That's Aoife_K_slays on IG. I do appreciate you guys and I love y'all. I thank God for y'all. I pray he continues to keep y'all and cover y'all and bring y'all back to me for the next video. Love y'all.